This is H&I's Just Two Guys Talking Car Stuff.
And
Today's topic.
Sorry,
I got you over.
That's all right. Well, we're both going to say the same thing. Today's car stuff is batteries. Why?
Because everybody has one.
True.
And some have more than one.
And some have really big ones
Right.
that run the whole car.
Exactly.
Why? I don't know.
What are we gonna do? So, looks like this one, from what I can tell, the difference is top post, and we're looking at side post. Is that correct?
Exactly. Side post means the battery cables will go to the side, and of course top means they go on the top, which this is going to be your standard, and this was really mainly a GM thing from 20, 30 years ago. They're starting to phase out, but there are still a few vehicles still have them.
Gotcha. So, basically, everybody's got the same lead acid battery, although Optima and some other high-end brands have more of a gel battery, correct?
Correct.
Is there a benefit of having a gel over lead acid? Or?
Your gel-based ones are good if you're going to go out there and flip your vehicle over.
You use the battery acid.
Exactly. So that's why they go into a lot of sport utilities, things of that nature. Your Jeeps, that's who really use your glass mats and all that. So, but some people just like it because they say they last a little bit longer. Well, we are in Arizona, and really nothing lasts in Arizona.
Yeah.
So one thing I would like to point out, you see we have FVP batteries, and everybody's sitting at home saying, what the heck is FVP? I never heard of that. Well, tell you the truth, it's from our main part supplier called Factory Motor Parts, and these batteries are exactly the same as AC Delcos.
So it's a direct replacement for an AC Delco battery?
It's a direct replacement for all batteries, but AC Delco is the brand it's closest to, and these actually come with a fabulous warranty. Do you know what that warranty is?
If memory serves, it's 3 years.
Ooh, no.
5 years.
5 years.
Oh,
and that is 5 years
I totally said that.
free
5 years.
replacement. It's not prorated at all. So your battery goes dead in 4 years, 10 months, you get a battery at zero charge.
And you know, that to me, that's worth it right there. And the price point here at H&I is very, very competitive with anywhere else in the valley. So why wouldn't you go with a battery that has a 5-year warranty instead of 1 year?
Exactly, and it is a nationwide warranty, of course. But as far as just talk about what batteries do, so that's kind of important. Let's cover that.
Let's cover that. Well, number one, obviously, you know, they start your car. They run all your accessories. They keep all the memory and all the electronic, all your stations on your radio and any of your seat memory and all the other things in your car that has to have some type of battery backup to maintain that. Now, the way the battery delivers power can vary, and of course, it's very important that battery has at least 12 volts. It's usually higher than that, about 12, 12.5 around there, just sitting still. But having a battery that has 12 volts doesn't necessarily mean your battery's perfect, because when you put a load on that battery, like when you go to start it, it was called cold cranking amps.
Cold cranking amps, CCAs. That is what the actual life expectancy or the power of your battery is actually measured in. Because like you said, they're all going to have that 12 voltage kind of range, but it's all the cold cranking amps is what's actually going to start your car. So you ever get in your car and you say, hey, all my lights work, my radio works, and you go and turn a key, and you get either nothing or a little, yep. That's because you don't have enough cold cranking amps to turn that starter motor over to start your car.
So that would definitely mean come get a new battery, solve all those problems. And that's another thing too, is if your vehicle's starting to have strange electrical gremlin things happening, especially with a lot of German vehicles, they're very, very finicky with the power supply. They always like a constant, even keel power supply. And if it tends to drop and the battery's not performing up to snuff, it'll start messing with some of your electronic features, your adaptive cruise, your navigation, your seats. All those functions of your car might not perform as they're supposed to when your battery starts to die. So that's not good.
Are you sure you covered everything?
You said I covered too much stuff. Did I cover too much stuff?
That was a lot.
Jeez. All right.
Okay, so bottom line.
You wrap it up.
Okay, we'll wrap it up. Bottom line. When your car is not running, all your electric comes from your battery. When it's running, it comes from your alternator, and your alternator also recharges your battery.
What if it goes? Whoa, whoa.
Again, we're definitely in a battery standpoint at that time. Battery scaling has almost enough, but not quite enough to kick that baby over. So come in, get a new battery, 5-year warranty, and we'll take care of you from there.
Sounds like a great idea. Let's do that.
All right.
Thanks for joining us again.
We're out.